Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a warm and delicious split pea soup. Split peas are not only shelf stable, but high in protein and fiber. By using lean ham and unsalted broth, this is a healthy version of a split pea soup. I'm serving it with a Satsuma salad that is a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and tangy. So let's get started. To start the soup, I'm going to rinse my split peas in a strainer. You want to make sure to wash off dust and dirt and remove any stones or debris. Now I'm going to heat some oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. I'm going to add some onions, carrots, celery, ham cut into half-inch cubes, and some garlic powder. Cook until the vegetables start to soften and the onions begin turning golden brown, about 5 to 8 minutes. Now add a little salt, pepper, no salt Creole seasoning, parsley, and thyme. Stir for about another minute. Now it's time to add in our split peas along with some chicken broth and a couple of bay leaves. Stir everything together and bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and simmer with the lid on for about 15 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally so that the peas don't get stuck on the bottom of the pot. After 15 minutes, take the lid off and continue to cook until the peas are soft and the soup is at your desired consistency. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes with the heat off. I'm going to serve my split pea soup with a Satsuma salad. Satsumas are grown right here in Louisiana. If you can't find Satsumas, mandarin oranges work well too. First, wash the Satsumas, then peel them and remove as much of the white pith as possible. Now, slice them vertically. You'll need the zest of a half of lime and the juice of the whole lime. Add this to a small bowl with some honey, some finely chopped shallots, basil, and a little salt. Mix until the honey is dissolved and then add in some olive oil and give it a good whisk. Add the Satsuma slices to the dressing and toss it all together. And there you have it. Super easy split pea soup with a tangy Satsuma salad and some cheddar cheese toast. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. The split pea soup will last for about 5 days and the Satsuma salad will last for 3 to 5 days. The recipes for split pea soup and Satsuma salad can be found online at LSUAgCenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. Follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more healthy meal ideas. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.